How to simply scan a document on your iPhone. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is to open your search and here click or type scan, and you will find here option scan document, which is action connected to your Files app, which is automatically downloaded on your iPhone. So click on scan document. Your camera will be opened and now you can simply scan a document. As you can see, it's scanning automatically. And now you can preview the scanned document. So this is it. Click on done. And now click on save in right down corner area. And now the document was successfully scanned and added to your file app. So if I go back and open the files, you can see and find this scan document here. You can open it and as you can see, it's pretty good. Another way how to do it is to just open your files app. In the right upper corner area, click on three dots and here click scan documents and repeat the process, scan your document. And that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.